Hey guys, today we've got a quick review and unboxing of the X9 Pro from Fanttik. This is a air inflator and it comes in a very small form factor. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed here. Fanttik has a lot of these kind of home handy gadgets, so I'm excited to see what we have here. Little instruction manual. I believe this is going to be our charging cable. Nothing special, just a standard small USB-C here. And then the main device itself, let's get into this. It's got the typical kind of Fanttik black and yellow look to it. Interesting. On the bottom here is where we plug in our USB-C. Now, to get this unplugged, you just go ahead and pull this out, and actually it turned on as soon as I unplugged that. So it may have a thing where, yeah, it's off until you unplug and then it's ready to go. So let's see here, can we set our PSI? I know my car tires go to 35. So let's go ahead and try this on my car tires, but I'm curious. Oh look, it's already got set options for different things. So you can do manual, obviously, or you can do all these other preset options. So we're gonna go ahead and car at 36, and then you have here a flashlight on the top with the left button. Super simple, nothing too special there, which honestly I like to see. And all right, let's go ahead and test this thing out and see if it's worth the price. I will have links for this down below, by the way, guys, and some of my other kind of favorite car tech. So one thing I would be curious to see is that when we undo this right here, is it going to show the current PSI on the screen? So let's go ahead and screw this on here. And I like that it starts the thread before it actually engages the little toggle on there. So it is already showing that we're at 37. So I don't really need to blow this one up, but let's just blow it up to 38 real quick and see what that does. All right, well, I like that it goes slightly over so that if you lose any on the way out, you're still gonna be at the setting that you chose. Overall, pretty awesome with its small form factor and automatically turning off like that. I really like that feature. I'm gonna charge this up and keep it in my car for emergencies. And thanks for watching Modern Reviews, guys. Again, I'll have a link for this down below and some of my other favorite tech products in the top right. Check them out.